Hey, eBlock girlfriends. So I'm going to explain what you're doing in class today so you know what's up. So, first off, you're wondering, oh, how is my cookie clicker going? Fine. Oh, I just got a golden cookie. Awesome. So thank you for asking. Anyway, now let's talk about the plan for today. So everything is out of Canvas. Obviously, you found this video from Canvas, right? The sub told you to go there. The first thing you're going to do is follow up on the TED Talk. So in the Canvas post, you can see I'm basically asking you about some problems that are here in Connecticut right now with links. And I just want you to jot down your thoughts in the Canvas post. What do you think the TED Talk lady would say some solutions could be for our current Connecticut environment problems? I have three examples. Um, let's do them in order. I have the fires that are burning right now. I have the spongy moth invasive species that hits us sometimes, and I have, the overall warming of Connecticut and erratic winters. So jot down your thoughts in writing in Canvas, kind of to wrap up the TED Talk, right? She talked about worldwide solutions. I want to know about our area. What do you think she would think about our problems? After that, that's as far as we're going with the TED Talk. The rest of class is dedicated to analyzing your last source. It's the picture, it's a meme. So, also in Canvas, you can find it. It's called Source 3. It's called Lewis and Clark meme. You are going to do an AP analysis of this. So, the AP loves acronyms. You're going to learn an acronym today. It is called OPTIC. And you are going to apply OPTIC to the Lewis and Clark meme. And then after that, you can see that the spot where you're writing, also in Canvas, it's double-sided. You're going to do the OPTIC of Lewis and Clark as a class in my mind and dreams. You're the social class. Do it as a class. Talk to each other. And then this one you'll do on your own. So let's get into OPTIC because that's honestly the bulk of class. So this is the document you have in Canvas, and you are going to start your Lewis and Clark analysis on this first page. Let's go over what OPTIC is. Overview, so easy, literally like 3 bullet points. What is your first impression of the picture? So, whole class, be like, okay, we got Lewis, we got nature, we got, do it all together, talk it out, get 3 bullet points. They can literally all be the same, I don't care. Then, after the overview, parts. This is where you look at all the little pieces. It's the biggest box for the reason. I want you to look at what is going on physically in the picture. Like obviously you can be like bullet point, McDonald's is in the picture. Bullet point, Sacagawea is in the picture, right? But also let's think about it like an art teacher. What are the colors in the picture? What textures are there? What people are there? What buildings are there, right? Icons, logos. Look at all the little pieces. This is a before and after. You better get some pieces about that, right? You can do this with the whole class. What I made my classes do yesterday is they went around the circle and every single kid had to be like, there's that. I see this. I see that, right? So just get all the little parts. Third, title. This is kind of a not really title, it's actually plus any writing. So the title, obviously, you're going to go into the document and the title and the author and stuff is up here. But title isn't just about the title, it's about all the words associated with the image, right? So we have our title. I also want you to take a look at the author and the information that you've got, the other words. And then I want you to look at the words in the picture. And as the whole class, comment on what these words are saying. What do these words mean up here? What do these words here mean? Why is he including these brands in this picture? Why are these words here? This is where we're starting to get into the analysis part. What messages he's sending with his words. So that's title. And then this one is kind of like you're writing a thesis statement, but you're doing it like 3 times. This is where you start putting together what you did on the top. Your overview, your parts, and your title and word stuff, right? Start thinking about 3 things, a whole sentence, 3 things that you can connect together from above. For instance, you can have this one if you want. A connection, an interrelationship that I would make is The nature up here, the environment, wide open, colorful, big sky. The environment here, small, like everything feels crowded. You can't see any sky, right? That is an interrelationship that you could write down, right? So you're making these analysis style observations. Obviously, you should think about the fact that it's Lewis and Clark, right? You can think about your societal isms or isations, right? Start to make big thesis statement type things 3 times. The last one, the conclusion, very easy. In a sentence or two, explain the claim that the visual is trying to portray. What is this trying to communicate to you? This meme has a deeper message. What is it? All right. So in my mind slash dreams, you guys do this as a class and you lead yourselves. Maybe put Paul or Shauna in charge. Anyway, you can do Lewis and Clark all together on that first page. On the second page, that's where you get to choose your own thing. Oh, and also, like downer alert, these are depressing, but these are 20 images that are the most like powerful when it comes to global warming, and some of them have death. Okay, so once you get into this is the on your own part. Pick one of these images. Look at all 20. Like pick the one that speaks to you the most, and do your own optic analysis now that you've like figured out what it is, right? And do that on your own on the second page, and hand in this whole thing to Canvas. This is your like graded assignment for the day. All right, so that's basically it. So from the top, TED Talk recap in Canvas. Like her TED Talk was broad, global. Let's think about our area. What would she say? Then, majority of class, this is where you lead yourselves. In my mind, you do it all together, okay? Look at source 3 all together using optic that I just explained. Then, on your own, look at your own thing. And you have no homework, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.